With Classkick, you view students' work and give them feedback in real time. In this video, we will practice providing students with feedback. Pick an assignment to see students' work. Students' work updates live here. Hand raises show who needs help. Even better, see a list of all raised hands. And jump directly to their work. Write feedback for the student, and they see it instantly. One of the most important ways to improve student learning is to address misconceptions and common feedback with pre-made stickers. Tap once to give the sticker to the student. Or add a new quick feedback. Choose a sticker image. Double tap to edit the text. And assign an optional point value. Flip down to another student and give a quick feedback. Or answer another raised hand. To allow students to help each other, enable student helpers. Now, students can provide each other with feedback. View work from different rosters. Fantastic! You're ready to use Classkick with your students.